I'm Stacy with Trendsetter Electronics, and I have with me this morning Paul Norton from Linear Integrated Systems. How are you, Paul?
Oh, great to be here today.
Good. Thanks for joining us from California.
Thank you.
So, can you give us a brief overview of Linear Systems?
Yes, Linear Systems specializes in small signal discretes. That would include a line of JFETs, both N-channel and P-channel, singles as well as monolithic duals. Additionally, we also have a line of transistors, NPN and PNP, once again, singles and monolithic duals. We also have a group of protection diodes, which were known by the JPAD and DPAD series from Siliconics. In addition to that, we also have current regulating diodes that second source the Siliconics product line with the J500 series. And lastly, we have a high-speed DMOS product, once again, that was previously second sourced by the Siliconics product line.
So, what type of markets are best served with Linear System products?
Generally, we've been working in the test and measurement, the professional audio, and the sensor markets.
Okay. And do you offer second sourcing?
Yes, Linear System provides second source for over 2,000 industry part numbers, ones that have either been discontinued or are currently available from such companies as Siliconics, Fairchild, ON Semiconductor, and NXP.
And the TO92 package as well?
Yes, both Fairchild, ON, and NXP had discontinued the TO92 package a year or so ago. Linear Systems still continues to provide that, so anyone affected by that should be making contact with us and we can assist them.
Okay. And what kind of lead time are they looking at with your products?
Generally, most of our product line, about 99%, is factory stock, so we're able to take an order and ship it within the same week.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time. And if you have any questions or want more information, you can find us at trendsetter.com, or you can send us an email at esales@trendsetter.com.